Whispers from the Brighter World, Beloved Master, Revered Babuji Maharaj, Sunday, June 6, 1999, 8 am. As we have already said, our method is underestimated and misused. You do not benefit from the maximum of its possibilities, a little like your brains, the resources of which you only use a very small part. We insist on this fact. It's unfortunate that those who are the most determined to go to the end don't benefit from it fully. One must be ready and willing. Once the thread is found, you will have to dig a mine. It will let you discover its treasures parsimoniously. You will engage therein with delights without fearing any sort of inconveniences. Seek and you will find. How many Christians really understood the meaning of these words? It's a formula for all times. Many seek the treasure and few do find it. The illuminating lamp that is given to you is especially effective. It's up to you to use it properly. Let the lamp, give you all its light. Do not reduce it to a weak flame. Let the sun shine in you. Let it illuminate you from top to toe, to the extent of making you phosphorescent. Go always deeper and deeper inside yourself, in this bottomless gold mine. One day, if you really so want, you will make this personal discovery and you will see that we have not exaggerated. You are potential sons. You are the divine life incarnate. Become torches that illuminate the world. Meditate on all that, not only mentally but also through the heart. Seek the secret way, the door that leads to the final goal. You must succeed in it by putting in some effort. It is worthwhile. What else can we tell you to convince you? This secret cave is inside you. It's up to you to always dig deeper and deeper. Be focused on this discovery. With the assistance of your incarnate master, the success essential to all true success of this kind will make you shift into another dimension unsuspected by your senses. You will thus be in a state of utmost happiness. Babuji. Sunday, June 6, 1999, 10 am. Without an incarnate master with a real spiritual dimension, you cannot reach higher levels. It is all these various aspects already alluded to which form a whole. It is the master who guides you, who relieves you of your sanskaras and in the end makes you go through the barrier of fire. At that stage, nothing can be done without a guide of this stature. We have already elaborated on these principles in our books. Even though you may have read them, perhaps you were not ready to understand this, as you could not think of reading this most important point one day. Sahaj Marg is no pastime for amateurish abhyasis. It is a pastime for some abhyasi, but we are aiming much higher for the majority of you. We have told you many times, humanity will be saved only by spirituality. Therefore, you should unite, be among those combatants who work behind the scenes, not only for their own progress but for the good of all. You can make things progress by helping us. Let faith grow in you. Your desire to act must translate into a broad base and sustained action. Take one step. The master will make you take the next one. Step by step, the magic line will be crossed. You will be amazed, happy in an indescribable way. We would like to see you all in this frame of mind. Through this dream, we see the realization of our objectives. The action of my son, your master, is powerful. We join our forces, our means, at various levels so that you all will manage to feel according to your receptivity. This great wave of divine energy suffuse in you completely. May your enthusiasm merge into ours for the achievement of this imposing project, and may it give you wings. We wish you could hear us. Our blessings are bestowed on you, Babuji.